there guys, I'm back again. But today, as you can see, you don't see my face, you just see my handsies and a goodie box. And the reason for that is actually very simple. Yesterday I did micro needling, my second time. I already did it once. I need to finish like 3 times, and yeah, it's basically a treatment of 3 times. I don't know where it was going with this. Anyway, my point is my face is kind of covered in a little bit of scarring, which is of course supposed to happen with microneedling. They're like minuscule scars, but it is completely red, and I don't know if y'all remember from last time, but after a couple of days you get crocodile skin, like really thick layers, I guess, because your skin needs to recover. And my face looks horrible. I'm not allowed to wear makeup for a couple of days, and unfortunately I still have this box, and it's been waiting for quite a while already, and I didn't want to wait like weeks and weeks because I would already get a new goodie box and I still didn't film the old one. This is the September goodie box. I did, however, film the Blux, like B-Lux box. I filmed that Saturday when it came in. So that one, like all my other videos will be with my face. It's just this particular one, I'm sorry, but my face needs to heal. It needs time, and I mean, I got lines on my face. My face is completely red. You can actually see where the needles went in because she used the longest needles she has. She's never used those on anybody ever. I'm the first one because I could handle the pain. So, you know, my face needs time out. Okay, so it took me 2 minutes to explain that. I'm sorry, but we're gonna do the video like this. So this is the goodie box. I really, look at this print. It is beautiful. Oh, I bumped the camera, sorry. The print is beautiful. I really, really enjoy it. So we're gonna open it up. There we go. Then let's move the box over here. It says goodie box, switch it up. We've got the little booklet with the items in here. I'm gonna place the booklet next to me. And this, ta-ta-ta, is the inside of this month's box. Let's open it up. As you can see, like, look, I'm wearing like my chip onesie because I'm at home on the floor. Okay, so this is what the box looks like from the inside. Okay, so we're gonna grab the biggest thing in here, which is this from Evoluderm. Wow, I have no idea where that is from. Oh, micellar. Oh, well, it says everything in French over here, so I'm just going to assume it's a French. It's clearly a micellar water, and let's see, in the booklet it says Evoluderm, if I'm pronouncing that right. It's a full size, and it costs €4. Okay, let's move to something else from the box, which is, what's this? Oh, it's Figs and Rouge, and this, oh, look, I can open it. This is the, what does it say over here? Wonder Love Charm. I'm not really sure what that is. I am kind of done with Figs and Rouge though, but let's see. Whoa, it's like a glass bottle. Holy cow, what is this? Are these like drops? Okay, hold on, let me, there we go. See, this is what that fella looks like. And it says, let's see, in the booklet, it says, Figs and Rouge, Wonder Love Charm Elixir. Huh, elixir, but what does it do? So it says bring 3 to 6 drops onto a cleansed skin for a nice glowy result. But isn't this, okay, we're gonna open this sucker because it says on like cleansed skin, but I thought these were like these luminous drops. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know, because it says elixir. What the hell? This is weird. Let's put it down here. Let's see what it does. Ooh, I got like specks of glitter here. Like really, really fine little lines of glitter. I know it's a little bit hard to see on camera because the light is coming from that direction. So sorry about that. Oh, bumped the camera again. But yeah, in real life, I can see glitters. Wow, okay, so this is pretty cool. Did I mention the price? I don't think I did. Whoa, It is redonkulously expensive. It says in the booklet that the Figs and Rouge Wonder Love Charm Elixir costs 38 euros. 38 bucks. Holy cow. Oh, by the way, before I grab something else, I don't know if I mentioned, but the elixir is a full size. Okay, so let's move on to, let's move the box. Mascara Milano Forever Shadow. What does it say? Crayon ombre. Okay. Let's open this little box up. If it's like an eyeshadow stick, I don't use liquid eyeshadows. Okay, so this is what that little sucker looks like. Forever Shadow. Come on, why is it not focusing? There we go. Wow, it's like covered in dirt of some kind. It's not sealed, so I will open it. Oh, wait, can I? Holy cow. Okay. This is what it looks like if it wants to focus. There we go. Let's check out in the booklet. Forever Shadow. Yes, this is a eyeshadow stick. It's a full size, but I don't use eyeshadow sticks myself. I don't like liquid eyeshadows. So this fella, you guys will be seeing in a giveaway somewhere along the way. I'm going to place it back inside, and the price of this little fella is 13 euros and 10 cents. Okay, let me grab all of these like... Oh, no, we actually have a bigger item, which is this. Minus 417. The Control Firming Radiant Mud Mask. Ooh, okay. That sounds pretty awesome because I love me a good mask. It is not a full size. A full size is 100 milliliters, and this is... where does it say? Oh, wow, that's very tiny. Okay, let's see. Come on, focus. 20 milliliters. So this is clearly not a full size. The full size is 5 times as big as this, but still definitely a nice sample size item. The full size is 100 milliliters, and that one costs 39 euros. So that's actually a lot of money. It's called Minus 417. I've never heard of this brand before. And it says Time Control Firming Mask. But over here it says Firming Radiant Mud Mask. I have no idea what's going on. Is it sealed? Yes, it's sealed. Okay, I'm going to leave it in the seal right now because I have a lot of masks open already that I need to finish. But I'm actually very hyped up about this fella. I'm very much looking forward to using it. I think I'm going to use it this weekend. Oh, I just now remembered I did my treatment, so I'm actually not allowed to use that as of now. Oops, I forgot about that. Okay, let's move on to, is this a card? Yes, it's a card. It says Friday. It's got mascara on it. Go to fridaymascara.com and click on order. 1, pick your formula. 2, pick your brush. 3, pick your frequency. Oh, every 1, 2, or 3 months. Okay. Pick your extra free brush and check out with code GB2019. This action includes a free extra brush. It's only valid blah blah blah. Okay, I'm not really sure what this is, but if you wanna, you know, here's the website down here. If you wanna check out with this code, then be my guest. Something about mascaras. I'm thinking it's like a subscription thing where you get a mascara every month. I don't know. But we're going to place that over there. Moving on. Oh God, yes! I'm so glad we got this. This is from Mikura. I'm not really sure how to pronounce this. But this is from Copenhagen, Denmark, and this is their lip mask, a luxurious golden hydrogel lip mask with collagen. Okay, I love this. The micro needling thing I did was actually to boost up collagen because there's no such thing as taking in collagen with like drink ampules or like pills or powders or I don't know, that's all ridiculous. There's no such thing. Collagen needs to be made out from the body, from the inside out. So it does say that this has collagen. I don't really believe that, like I said, but it's okay. What is this? Luxurious hydrogel. Wow. Perfect for lips. Ooh, and I think, I'm gonna bet it looks like this golden beautiful lip mask. I love a good lip mask. I absolutely love it. Okay, so let's check in the booklet. It's a full size and it costs, holy cow, it costs €9.50. Okay, now we're gonna move to the very last item, which is this, and I will show you guys the box is empty. Okay, so this is, ooh, glove mask from K Glow. Is this like Korean beauty? Because it says K Glow from Korea. Yes, it's Korean beauty, so K beauty. It's nourishing safflower. I'm not really sure what that is. Seed oil, 2-layer hand mask, gloves. Ooh, very, very much looking forward to this. Let's see in the booklet. It's a full size, clearly, because, like, you know, it's one packet. And it costs €5.95. And this I'm gonna put in as an extra gift for my mom for Sinterklaas, because y'all know she struggles with her hands. I love me a good hand mask, as well, but she definitely suffers with her hands, and I don't. I actually have very soft hands. So as much as I want to try this out myself, I think this will benefit my mom better. Okay, guys, and those were all of the items. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. And let's just check in the booklet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items were full size. The only one that wasn't was this expensive mask. But it's fine. I really enjoy this box. Like, every single item I'm going to use. Well, this one I'm going to give to my mom, like I explained. But if I didn't, I will use it. Oh, no, actually, now I just remembered we received a pencil. That's the one that I'm not going to use. But still, like, no harm done, because this is a way for me to give back to you guys for, you know, watching my channel and thanking you for, you know, kind of being there for me. The Mascara Milano you guys will be seeing in a giveaway, but the rest I'm going to use. So I really enjoy this box. You guys, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about these products? Have you tried them? Did you enjoy them? Yes, no, leave it down below. Once again, I'm going to apologize before shutting off this video for this, like, hand talking thing. But, you know, like I said in the intro, I'm sorry, but sometimes my skin just needs a break. And I feel like if I didn't film this right now, I would never film this box. And you know what? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you like to see my face talking, or do you prefer this kind of an unboxing? It's, you know, everything is good and cool. Feel free to be honest. Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd like to thank y'all once more for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!